Hello, I am Jethro Akin. I have been teaching sound for theater and communications at the college level for more than 15 years. The COVID-19 epidemic has challenged us Filipino teachers to rethink educational strategies in the new normal. It is inevitable that we resort to online platforms and other media to deliver lessons and make them accessible, understandable, and encouraging for our students. I'd like to invite you all to attend my workshop at the YAVL Training Center entitled Online Audio Production Workshop for Educators. I will be sharing about maximizing existing technology to record and process speech recordings for online presentations that are clear and engaging. I will also teach you ways on how to create QR codes and embed them in your learning modules. This will be an engaging workshop even if we are just meeting virtually. So contact us through the details flashed on your screen, and remember that we are all in this together, and I hope to see you all.